I'll be presenting DocuStream, a web-based platform designed to streamline how organizations manage their digital documents. So its main goal is to provide a secure and efficient way to handle document uploads, retrievals, categorization, and archiving. So the system is meant for two main users. So first is regular staff who interact with files, and the other one is the administrator who oversees users access and document states.
So the main functionalities of DocuStream, it has user authentication and role management, document upload, categorization and archiving, smart search with filters and admin controls and approvals. So DocuStreams offers powerful features tailored for both regular and administrative users. Key functionalities includes secure user logins, the ability to upload and categorize documents, and smart search system to retrieve files easily. Admins can also manage permissions and approve uploads. On the back end, it supports high performance, strong security protocols, and user-friendly interface that works across all major browsers. So this is the requirements of DocuStream: fast document access, or less than 3 second, and scalable storage, and 99.5% system uptime, responsive, secure, and interface.
So for our system demo, we will walk through to our system demo. So the overview of our system is the login page, the user dashboard, of flow history view, and admin panel with user access control. So how the system works. So the users first is log in through page one's login. Then they land on a centralized dashboard from here. So users can upload documents, check fast uploads, or if they are administrators, access admin panel. The admin module includes tools to manage users' permission, approve or reject uploads, and oversees data storage. So this modular design ensures clarity, efficiency, and control for every user's role. So uh, that's how our system works. So that's a user guide for our system. So for our modular modular flow, so the steps are log in, go to dashboard, then upload your file or your documents, and you can also view it and manage it, or you can edit it, then it will go to admin access. So that's it po. So let's go po for our system demo. And so for our system demo, so here's a brief walkthrough of our how system works. So first is the user's first login through our secure authentication page. Yan. So maglalagin po. Ayan. So once na nakapag-login na po, ayan, mapupunta po tayo sa atin pong dashboard. So once login, they land on a centralized dashboard. So from here, users can upload documents. So makikita natin dito yung upload new. Tapos they can also check past uploads, or if they are administrator, they can access admin panel. Yan. So they can access po yung admin panel, and also they can check past uploads, yung mga na-upload na before. Makikita po siya sa recent documents or archive documents. Ano po. Tapos, the admin module, yan. So, sa pag-upload po, ayan. Sa pag-upload po, you can choose file, as what category is, then yung tags. Then, you can upload it na. Tapos, um, the admin module naman po includes tools to manage user permission. Sa administrator naman po, yan. So sa admin, so siya po yung nakakakita ng mga in-upload ng user. Ayan. So you can the admin in the admin dashboard, you can see here the user's permission, approve or reject uploads, and oversee data storage. So dito makikita yung mga in-approve or ni-reject uploads ng admin through the user's upload. They can also see the data storage na nilagay ng user. So yan, makikita po natin dito yung user management, in-upload niya, tapos yung mga pending documents or yung na-approve din or i-reject nung admin na file or document. So this modular design ensures clarity, efficiency, and control for every user role. So this DocuStream is very efficient and make us clarity and control for every user po na gumagamit ng amin pong system. That's all po. Thank you.